Join Kids Hut family.
Tia Tofu's summer vacation routine. Good morning, Tofu. Summer vacation is here.
Vacation means sleeping all day, right?
Not really. Vacation means fun and learning.
Fun and learning? Is it possible to do both together?
Of course. Let's make the perfect summer holiday routine.
Routine during vacation? That sounds suspicious.
Trust me, Tofu, it's going to be fun. Hey Tia, hey Tofu, want to play?
Yes, playing is my favorite routine.
First step of our summer routine, morning exercise or playtime?
Like skipping, cycling or running?
Or a mini obstacle race? Let's race to the tree and back.
Last one there has to drink spinach juice.
Go!
Wait, are we studying now?
Not studying, learning something fun. I brought a cool science experiment. I brought a puzzle book.
And I brought my drawing kit. I brought snacks.
That works too. Let's try a simple experiment. What melts faster? Ice in the sun or in the shade? Let's find out.
Science is actually fun.
See, learning doesn't always mean homework.
Now it's creative time. Can I draw a giant ice cream?
I'm building a cardboard rocket. I'm making a solar system model. And I'm making a summer journal where we write what we learn every day.
I'll draw today's experiment.
Why are we watering the plants? Because summer is hot and plants need extra care.
Helping others can also be part of our routine.
We should also share books and toys.
Or help mom with lemonade making.
Exactly. Small acts of kindness make big smiles. Best routine ever. We played, learned, experimented and created.
And helped the plants too. And ate snacks. Very important step.
So kids watching us, what will be your summer routine?
Tell us, will you play games? Do experiments?
Draw something creative? Or learn something new? Summer vacation is the perfect time to have fun, explore new ideas, and learn something every day. Because when fun and learning go together, every day becomes an adventure.
For your favorite rhymes, stories, and more, join Kids Hut family. Subscribe here.